In a secluded corner of the world, where the moon shone brightest and the stars painted endless patterns, lay Moonlit Valley. It was a land of wonder, where glowing flowers bloomed, rivers sparkled with silver light, and nocturnal creatures thrived in harmony. But beneath its beauty, the valley held a secret, an ancient legend of a lost moonstone, said to hold the power to protect the valley from darkness forever. The legend spoke of two unlikely heroes who would rise to find the moonstone when the valley's glow began to fade. One starry night, the glow dimmed, and the creatures grew restless. "The time has come," whispered Elder Glowtail, an ancient firefly with light that never waned. He gathered the creatures and announced, "We need heroes to restore our light. Who will step forward?" From the crowd emerged two volunteers, Luna, a daring young fox with fur like the night sky, and Fizz, a chatty bat with oversized ears and an insatiable curiosity. "We'll find the moonstone," Luna declared confidently. "And have an adventure while we're at it," Fizz added. Their journey began at the Starlit Cavern, a maze of glittering crystal walls. As they entered, the air hummed with magic. On the ground lay an inscription, "Light reveals the path, shadows lead astray." Luna's sharp eye spotted faint beams of light bouncing off the crystals. "We need to follow these beams," she said, stepping carefully. Fizz flew above, using his echolocation to guide them through shadowy pitfalls. Together, they navigated the cavern until they reached its heart, a shimmering crystal key suspended in midair. "One step closer," Fizz cheered as Luna grasped the key. Next, they arrived at the Silver River, its waters swirling with an otherworldly glow. A bridge of moonlight appeared, but as they stepped onto it, a water spirit rose from the depths. "Only those pure of heart may cross," the spirit intoned. "Answer this, what is the greatest gift one can give?" Fizz pondered aloud. "A shiny pebble. A great story." Luna smiled softly. "It's love. To care deeply for someone or something, expecting nothing in return." The spirit's eye sparkled. "You are wise. You may pass." The bridge solidified, allowing them to cross safely. Finally, they reached the Lunar Tower, a spiraling structure that seemed to touch the stars. The key from the cavern fit perfectly into the tower's door. The door opened to reveal a series of floating platforms. "This looks tricky," Fizz muttered, flapping nervously. The platforms glowed faintly, lighting up in a sequence. Luna watched carefully. "It's a pattern. We just need to follow the right steps." With Fizz's flight and Luna's agility, they leapt and glided from platform to platform. At the top of the tower, a pedestal held the moonstone, glowing softly with a silvery light. As Luna and Fizz carried the moonstone back to the valley, its light grew brighter. Upon their return, Elder Glowtail directed them to place it in the heart of Moonlit Valley. The moonstone's brilliance spread, restoring the valley's glow and filling every corner with warmth. The creatures cheered, celebrating their new heroes. Elder Glowtail smiled. "Luna and Fizz, you have shown courage, wisdom, and love. The valley owes you its light." From that night on, Luna and Fizz were known as the guardians of Moonlit Valley, ready to protect its glow for generations to come.